Good morning, welcome to a morning review. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the euro dollar first. What we've got here, well, it's just a continued sell-off over the last few days. We saw a little bit of a rally following the US FOMC data minutes coming out, but then it's just given it all back. So it's now running back towards the double bottom sort of territory. Could get a sort of a reaction off this. It may already be reacting to it. It's a little bit oversold in the short term, and it's certainly oversold in the bigger picture here. To me, there's always the risk of buying into a market like this. But if we do see some sort of break over the highs here, there's a pretty simple trend line going across somewhere around about there. If we do see a break of this, well, we could play with that direction, but at the moment, as I said, it's looking like it may want to go down to the daily S1 area. It may just continue drifting down. It's not an easy market now to try and jump aboard at this juncture. You need some sort of retrace to sell into, or we need a break of this trend line to buy into. So it's a case of sitting and waiting. Maybe double bottom could be an opportunity for a buy on both the euro dollar and the pound dollar. Pound dollars are not sold off quite so much at the moment, but it looks like it's coming towards yesterday's lows there. Again, same situation. That really, if we're getting down towards that area, that would be the area I'd be looking for as a possible sort of buy area back into that the daily S1. Euro's already almost there, so that might mean if the cable continues down in that direction, euro may continue down even further. So it's a bit like catching knives in this market. Again, as with the euro, we've got a bit of a trend line running there, which a break of that may give us a long back towards the hourly 50. It still hasn't been hit for quite some time now. It's quite a few days since that's been hit. It is coming down towards towards the price, which makes the target smaller. But as I say, a break of that trend line may just give us that sort of move. At the moment, looking relatively bearish, and as I say, I need retracements to get into this market now. Dollar yen is taken off somewhat more now. Yesterday ended up an up day. We followed through on that. So again, similar picture to inverted picture of the euro and the pound in a sense, but it's nowhere near its sort of ultimate lows or highs in this particular case. There's plenty of potential for it to continue in its mode here, back towards those prior highs. Trend line I drew on there a few days ago. It's certainly got that possibility to get up to those levels. In the event of it selling, starting to see a sell-off again. At the moment, I need a retracement to buy into things. Maybe a retracement to the trend line, maybe a point of subject to finding some other support levels around there. But otherwise, a break of the trend line becomes a sell point. For buying at the moment, I'm going to struggle. Okay, finally, Aussie dollar. So the Aussie dollar, it's the only one that sort of it's managed to fight back the trend a little bit in terms of it and again it's broken and pushed through this morning through the Asian session. It had a decent shove, but run into some more resistance back into the 4 hourly 34 there, or daily 8. Again here comes back to a trend line. Really, it's if I can draw this on here again, may look for the longs above this area. At the moment though, it's not sent too much up, and it may in fact have some shorts on this hour. Just looking at this across the hourlies, actually really it's probably triggered the short side of things already here. So maybe missed out on that chance of it actually coming in. It's obviously triggered it just after 6. So it's pushed that down at the moment, but there may be opportunities to sell into the the Aussie dollar if the markets keep on coming off here. The dollar keeps on gaining some strength. So overall, today in terms of news, we do have for the UK, we've got the official bank rate, the interest rate decision coming out at 12 o'clock. I'm not expecting any shocks around that. There is a statement that generally comes out with it, potentially can come out with it at 12 o'clock as well. So we'll see what that has to say. But as I say, I'm not expecting any shocks there. And that's really it. There's the weekly unemployment claims that comes out 1:30 in the US, but that's not a great mover. So I'm just expecting things just to plod along here at the moment. Anyway, that's it. Hope you have a great day. Bye for now.